To make a pulled increase, first work to the place where you plan to add a new stitch to the work. So for me, it's going to be right here. Then insert the tip of the right needle from front to back into the space between the first two stitches on the left needle. So we don't go into the row below or into any of the stitches. We go into the space that is between these two stitches, and that's how it looks on the wrong side of the work. Then wrap the needle with the yarn same way as we do when we knit a stitch. You can do it with the yarn in your left hand or right hand, doesn't matter. And then pull the wrap through, forming a new stitch. Then knit the first stitch from the tip of the left needle the usual way and continue to work in the pattern of your choice, just like this. If we make these increases in every other row and we stack them on top of each other, then we will get a lovely line of increases that looks a lot like a braid. But that's not all. If we make these increases at every stitch and then work the new stitches together with their neighbors in the next row, then we can easily form beautiful, highly textured stitch patterns like this one. This one is based on stockinette stitch. So in right side row, we create the increases at each stitch, and then in the wrong side row, we simply purl these stitches together with the neighboring stitch. But if we knit these stitches together, then the stitch pattern will look like this. So this one is based on garter stitch. In the right side row, we make these increases at every stitch, but in the wrong side row, we knit these increases with their neighboring stitches, and as a result, we get a lovely stitch pattern with an amazing texture. Of course, there are numerous variations of these two stitch patterns. You can apply the same idea to add texture to ribbing, seed stitch, moss stitch, or any other stitch pattern. Every variation will change the look and the feel of the fabric, so get creative and experiment. To read this tutorial as a set of step-by-step photo instructions and to get the written instructions for the two stitch patterns that I've just shown you, go to 10roseaday.com/pulled-increase. To download this tutorial as a PDF, join the club at 10roseaday.com/club. If you feel that this tutorial should be suggested to other knitters, please click the like button below. Thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful week. I'll see you in the next tutorial.